After a week in downtown District 1, I decided it was time to slow down a little. I moved across the river to District 2 to a quieter, more residential part of Ho Chi Minh City and checked into the Sophia Apartment. The ride from District 1 took me just about 20 minutes by Grab. This area, Thảo Điền, is known for its calm streets, leafy surroundings, and cafe culture. It's a favorite with expats and a nice escape from the bustle of central Saigon. When I arrived, the place looked peaceful. Modern grey walls, glass windows, and a small landing decorated with potted plants. Inside, the reception area felt homey and personal. I arrived around 1 in the afternoon, which happens to be nap time in Vietnam, so the reception was empty. A quick WhatsApp message brought out the manager, Miss Lei, who handled my check-in. She explained that my room was actually across the street at Sophia Apartment, their newly built sister property. It's so new it doesn't even have a sign yet, but it was only a short 2-minute walk away. I booked the king room with balcony, about 33 square meters, for 760,000 dong a night, which is roughly $30 US. And for that price, it's very good value. The room is simple, functional, and clean. Tiled floors keep it cool in the tropical heat, and everything feels neat and well maintained. The bed is a low, dark wood frame with clean bedding, firm but comfortable. There's both air conditioning and a standing fan for those who prefer natural airflow. Instead of a wardrobe, there's only a clothing rack, which I found to be inadequate. 2 bright blue rubber slippers are provided, useful for walking out to the balcony or common areas. The room is better equipped than most budget guest houses I've stayed in. There's a full-size refrigerator, a kettle for tea or coffee, and each day, housekeeping will supply 2 bottles of Dasani water, a small but thoughtful touch. A flat-screen TV is mounted on the wall with access to streaming apps. The Wi-Fi is strong and reliable, so it's easy to stream or get work done. There's only a small round table though, so it's not ideal for long laptop sessions. Other handy items include a hairdryer and an iron. The ensuite bathroom is tiled floor to ceiling in cool grey stone and looks brand new. It has a glass shower cubicle with hot water and a wall-mounted sink. My favorite feature was definitely the balcony. It's large and gets plenty of natural light. It's the perfect spot for a morning coffee or to watch the sunset after a day of exploring. Coming from a windowless room in District 1, this open view felt like such a luxury. Guests can use the self-service washing machine and dryer for free, which is great for longer stays. Officially, laundry hours are from 8 to 11 in the morning, though most times the machines are filled with hotel linens, so you need to message the manager to clear them. Because the machines are in a shared area, some guests use them late at night, which can get noisy if your room is nearby. Overall, Sophia Apartment and its sister property, Sophia Apartment, offer a clean, comfortable, and great value stay in Thảo Điền. It's ideal for travelers who prefer peace and quiet, yet still want access to local cafes, restaurants, and Grab rides to the city center. If you're looking for an affordable space with good Wi-Fi and a bright balcony to unwind, this little apartment in District 2 might be just what you need.